We are going to write SQL script and make changes on our staff member table. And the first question is that our first update statement that we are going to perform is we are going to subtract 10,000 of a record whose employee ID is 2. The second statement that we are going to write is adding 10,000 to a salary whose employee ID is 5. And number 3, we are going to add 33,333 to a record whose employee ID is 2. And we're gonna at the end roll back all transaction to undo above changes. We are going to work on the rollback transaction, and first statement is that use staff management. Here we are selecting database, then we are enabling safe update mode so that we can update the values. After that, we're gonna start transaction, or we're gonna begin the transaction with the start transaction statement. Here we are going to update our staff member table, and we're gonna set salary equals to salary minus 10,000, and where employee ID equals to 2. Okay, now we're gonna add 10,000 where employee ID is 5. So I'm just gonna copy this statement. I'm gonna add plus 10,000, right? Now after that, in third statement, we're gonna add 33,333, and that's gonna go to employee ID 2, right? And we are going to introduce here error. Let me write down spell error. So this statement will not be executed. Okay, after that, we're gonna roll back this transaction. Use rollback keyword. Rollback. Let me clear these things. Let's check first 50,000 and 45,000, right? When we roll back the transaction, we should get these values for first 50 and then 45. Let's work on the transaction. I'm gonna start the transaction, or you can do one thing, you can execute 3 commands together. Okay, it won't be a problem if you're executing multiple times. Then you are executing this statement, you are subtracting 10,000 from employee ID 2, so it should be around 40. That's correct. Now execute the second statement. Okay, 45 becomes 55,000. That's good. After that, you're going to execute this statement and you will get error. Okay, you have error here because of this field is unknown. There is a spelling mistake, right? Now I'm going to roll back this transaction, and this gonna take me to original values. Let's see, original values, I think 50,000 and 45,000. Okay, looks good. So we came back to original values, right? This is how we undo the changes of your different operations in your transaction.